Learn French colors, days, and months. Welcome to our channel. Today we're embarking on a colorful journey to explore the world of French vocabulary. Get ready to expand your language skills as we learn how to say colors, days of the week, and months of the year in French, all with clear English translations. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or looking for a quick refresher, this video is for you. Let's dive in and unlock the beauty of the French language together. Our first color is vibrant and full of energy. It's the color of passion, love, and excitement. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's red. In French, we say rouge, pronounced rouge. Imagine a ripe strawberry, a blooming rose, or a stylish red scarf. Rouge adds a touch of warmth and vibrancy to our world. Next, we're diving into a color that evokes feelings of calmness, peace, and serenity. It's the color of the ocean, the sky on a clear day, and forget-me-not flowers. This beautiful color is blue, or as we say in French, bleu, pronounced bleu. Notice how the E at the end is silent. Let's brighten things up with a color that radiates joy, optimism, and warmth. It's the color of sunshine, sunflowers, and lemons. This cheerful color is yellow, or jaune in French. We pronounce it jaune. Pay close attention to the O sound, which is unique to French. Chapter 4. Now, we're immersing ourselves in a color that symbolizes nature, growth, and harmony. It's the color of lush forests, rolling hills, and emeralds. This refreshing color is green, or vert in French. We pronounce it vert, with a soft R sound. Chapter 5. Our next color is elegant, sophisticated, and timeless. It's the color of a starry night sky, a classic tuxedo, and a sleek limousine. This powerful color is black, or noir in French. We pronounce it noir, again with that soft R sound at the end. Chapter 6. Let's move on to a color that represents purity, innocence, and new beginnings. It's the color of freshly fallen snow, a bride's wedding gown, and fluffy clouds. This pristine color is white, or blanc in French. We pronounce it blonde. Chapter 7. Our next color is a blend of black and white, representing balance, neutrality, and practicality. It's the color of storm clouds, smooth stones, and elephants. This versatile color is gray, or gris in French. We pronounce it gris. Chapter 8. Let's add a burst of energy with a color that's both vibrant and warm. It's the color of sunsets, pumpkins, and of course oranges. This cheerful color is, you guessed it, orange, and it remains the same in French orange. We pronounce it orange. Chapter 9. Now for a color that's associated with royalty, creativity, and mystery. It's the color of amethysts, lavender fields, and twilight. This regal color is purple or violet in French. We pronounce it violet. Chapter 10. Our next color is delicate, charming, and romantic. It's the color of cherry blossoms, cotton candy, and flamingos. This sweet color is pink or rose in French. We pronounce it rose. Chapter 11. Let's move on to a color that's warm, earthy, and comforting. It's the color of chocolate, tree trunks, and coffee beans. This rich color is brown, or marron in French. We pronounce it marron. Chapter 12. Our final color is subtle, versatile, and calming. It's the color of sand, seashells, and oatmeal. This neutral color is beige, and it remains the same in French beige. We pronounce it beige. Chapter 13. Now that we've mastered colors, let's move on to the days of the week, starting with the day that marks the beginning of the work week for many. It's the day we often set new goals and tackle our to-do lists. This day is Monday, or lundi in French. We pronounce it lundi. Chapter 14. Next up is the second day of the week, often a day to continue working towards our goals and perhaps enjoy a midweek treat. This day is Tuesday, or mardi in French. We pronounce it mardi. Chapter 15. We've reached the middle of the week, a day to celebrate making it halfway through and perhaps enjoy a relaxing evening. This day is Wednesday, or mercredi in French. We pronounce it mercredi. Chapter 16, Jeudi, Thursday. As we approach the end of the work week, we have a day often filled with anticipation for the weekend ahead. This day is Thursday, or Jeudi in French. We pronounce it jeudi. Chapter 17, Vendredi, Friday. Finally, the day we've all been waiting for. It's the end of the work week for many, a time to relax, unwind, and spend time with loved ones. This day is Friday, or Vendredi in French. We pronounce it vendredi. Chapter 18, Samedi, Saturday. The first day of the weekend is here, a day for leisure, adventure, and spending quality time with family and friends. This day is Saturday, or Samedi in French. We pronounce it samedi. Chapter 19, Dimanche, Sunday. The weekend concludes with a day often dedicated to rest, relaxation, and preparing for the week ahead. This day is Sunday, or dimanche in French. We pronounce it dimanche. Chapter 20, Janvier, January. Now let's journey through the months of the year, starting with the month that marks a fresh start, new beginnings, and resolutions. This month is January, or Janvier in French. We pronounce it janvier. Chapter 21, Février, February. Next up is the shortest month of the year, often associated with love, Valentine's Day, and cozy winter nights. This month is February, or février in French. We pronounce it février. As winter begins to transition into spring, we welcome a month often associated with new life, growth, and the arrival of warmer weather. This month is March, or Mars in French. We pronounce it Mars. Spring is in full swing with a month known for its showers that bring May flowers, as the saying goes. This month is April, or Avril in French. We pronounce it avril. Nature is in full bloom with a month often associated with beauty, warmth, and the celebration of Mother's Day. This month is May, or Mai in French. We pronounce it May. Chapter 25, Juin, June. Summer officially begins with a month known for its long days, warm weather, and the start of summer vacation. This month is June, or Juin in French. We pronounce it Juin. Chapter 26, Juillet, July. Summer is in full swing with a month often associated with holidays, fireworks, and outdoor activities. This month is July, or Juillet in French. We pronounce it Juillet. Chapter 27, Out August. Summer continues with a month often filled with vacations, relaxation, and enjoying the warm weather before autumn arrives. This month is August, or A out in French. We pronounce it août. Chapter 28, September, September. As summer comes to an end, we welcome a month often associated with the start of a new school year, cooler weather, and the changing colors of leaves. This month is September, or September in French. We pronounce it septembre. Chapter 29. Autumn is in full swing with a month known for its vibrant foliage, Halloween celebrations, and cozy sweaters. This month is October, or October in French. We pronounce it October. Chapter 30. As we approach the end of the year, we have a month often associated with Thanksgiving, family gatherings, and preparing for the holiday season. This month is November, or November in French. We pronounce it November. Chapter 31. The year concludes with a month filled with holidays, festive decorations, and the anticipation of a new year. This month is December, or December in French. We pronounce it décembre. Outro! Thanks for joining us on this colorful journey through French vocabulary. We've covered the essential colors, days of the week, and months of the year, giving you a solid foundation for your French language learning. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to use these new words in your everyday life. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel for more language learning adventures, and share it with your friends who are also eager to learn French. See you next time.